CADDXFPV Protos FPV Drone RTF Kit. Honest proof this is the best beginner FPV kit right now.
You have been watching FPV videos for months, telling yourself it is too complicated, too expensive, too tangled to start alone. That is literally you, isn't it? One box, everything already inside. Drone, goggles, controller, batteries, charger. Type me if that is the flight you have been quietly waiting for. So what actually happens the second you power it on?
Here is what nobody warns you about. Most FPV setups drop you into a suffocating maze of soldering guides, firmware flashing, and parts that refuse to work together. Hours disappear fast. Confidence quietly cracks. You start wondering if this hobby was ever truly meant for someone like you. But what if that entire wall was never real to begin with? Then I plugged in the battery, slipped on the goggles, and opened up the CADDXFPV Protos FPV Drone RTF Kit. And what filled that 4.5-inch screen felt nothing like I expected. Don't just pick any FPV drone kit. Make sure it has a built-in digital HD transmission system so you never feel that suffocating analog snow and signal chaos wrecking your confidence ever again. Here is what that means in real flight. The Ascent HD VTX weighs just 6 grams, yet streams crisp 1080p video at 60 frames per second with only 30 milliseconds of latency. Hands and eyes perfectly locked in sync. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor keeps footage sharp even in near darkness. 3 flight modes let you start hovering in position hold, cruise in self-stabilizing, then unlock full manual mode for real freestyle tricks. I almost skipped the manual and nearly missed the smart safety lock. That would have cost me a motor on the first flight. The crash-resistant unibody polymer frame has 0 seams and takes real impacts cleanly. And the charging system completely changes how your sessions flow. Stay with me on this one. Let me stack the proof so you actually feel what changes. First, time. 3 batteries deliver over 30 total minutes of flight, and the 3-in-1 smart USB-C charger reloads all 3 in roughly 20 minutes. More flying, less waiting. A rhythm that keeps the energy alive. Then focus. Goggles auto-lock onto the strongest signal instantly. The flicker-free display cuts eye strain completely, and 30-millisecond latency means your inputs register before the thought fully finishes. Then performance. 0 to 10 meters per second in 3 seconds in a drone that fits your palm. An FPV content creator called it genuinely thrilling at this price point. An industry analyst declared the CADDXFPV Protos FPV Drone RTF Kit the best value all-in-one digital HD FPV RTF kit available today. One verified user put it simply, started in position hold, now throwing freestyle tricks in manual mode. Same kit, 0 upgrades. Here's what trips people up. Most assume digital HD means complicated. 1 battery in, goggles on, 1 button, flying. The Eerlijk controller also syncs with FPV simulators for crash-free practice before your first real liftoff. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for HD video, 2 for flight time, 3 for beginner to pro growth. Drop it below. Come see why so many people have quietly skipped the complicated build route and chosen this instead. The CADDXFPV Protos FPV Drone RTF Kit puts real digital HD flight directly in your hands from the very first battery charge. No prior experience needed, no soldering iron, no exhausting tutorial spiral before you can genuinely enjoy flying. My affiliate link is in the description and pinned right at the top of the comments. Take 10 seconds and just look for yourself. The sky was always this close to you.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.